Look what I got. This is the Planner Society kit. Like a scrapbooking kit, planner kit, just like paper crafting and all kinds of really fun, cute stuff. And I get these kits monthly and they're so beautiful. I love them so much. So I wanted to open this up and show you guys what it looks like. This is the May 2018 Planner Society kit. Okay, let's open this beauty up here. Oh, so pretty. So it comes packaged in this gorgeous paper. Oh, good grief. There we go. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at this bag. I love it. It has a beautiful bow and leaves and polka dots. Oh, so cute. I love, love, love this. That's so pretty. And then it has these little flowers, and you can make things with these. So cute. Look at the black and white cactuses. So fun. These are die cuts, or sometimes people call them ephemera. I don't exactly know what that means, but they're cute, and you can use them for so many different things. Dashboards for your planner, or you can put them in cards, you know, if you're sending someone cards. They're just really pretty little cardboard cutouts. And yeah, so this month's theme is a lot of like leaves and plants. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a little shirt. Cute. Kind of reminds me like a boho, kind of. Oh, it's so cute. I love them all. Oh, this one's so pretty, like cactuses and stuff. Oh, so pretty. If you've never bought a Planner Society kit or TPS kit, you are missing out. They are so much fun. If you make cards, these would be beautiful for card making. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. So fun, the pineapple. And then there's some cute sayings on these cards. They're so much fun. And this one has a matching pin. Ooh, I love these. I love this green color. These are paper clips with little felt flowers. Oh, they're so cute. And then let's see, the washi tape. Scarlet Lime, Planner Society. Oh, very pretty. Ooh, it's the cactuses and the flowers. Then these are like page marker tabs. Page flags! I was so excited for these. Oh, I love page flags. I use them all the time. And stamps. I used to be big into stamping, and I'm really not anymore. But now that I have a couple Planner Society stamps, I might start stamping again. Oh, and these are little, oh, what are they called? Oh, I can't think of the name right now. Like doilies? And I have seen some creative gals making some cool things out of these. I don't want to rip them. See, they're so pretty. These are just so unique. You cannot find things like this anywhere else. Oh, so pretty. So there's 3 of this color. And 3 of this color. White on the other side if you wanted to just go white. Oh, those are gorgeous. Then these are little, you can use them as pockets. I really don't know what to use these for. I'll find a use. And let's see what's in this little bag here. It's so fun to open up Happy Mail. I love it. It's treat myself to a little gift. Oh, these are stickers. Oh, these are pretty. So these are words and it has a background. Oh, pretty, pretty. Let's see what the other ones look like. I love stickers. I'm so addicted to stickers. Oh, I love these are so little because my planner is really little. I use a pocket right now. Oh, so pretty. Stickers are always my favorite. And everything matches and coordinates. Love it. And then there's the paper. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I love it. So this is the April 2018 Planner Society kit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, I'm super excited to do my planner setup in this. It's so like summery looking to me. I love the colors and it's going to be really fun. So thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I have a lot of great fun videos coming this summer. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video.